Hi everyone. We're going to be practicing volume calculations with corals. And so when you see the units that you're going to choose from, if it's meters, that would be length. Meters squared would be area. So we're looking for meters cubed for the volume in all of these. And in some of them, you're using density. So this is a density measurement of coral, 0.22 kilograms per cubic meter. And then in other ones, you're going to be looking at a growth rate and an area. But really, for all of them, you just want to be thinking about it as kind of a unit analysis problem. So if I have an approximate density of coral, what I can do is this density, another way I can write it down is 1 cubic meter is equal to the 0.22 kilograms. And then I can just multiply like a unit analysis problem, and you see the kilograms cancel out. So let's do that. So I'm doing times 10.22. So then my kilograms would cancel each other out, and I'm left with meters cubed. And I have 3.09 times 10 to the 11th. When you put that into positive stem, you can use 3.09 E11. And then check your work. And then for the follow-up question, some of the problems will ask about a decrease in calcium carbonate saturation. So that is related to ocean acidification and a lower pH. So thinking about this one, where you have an area and a vertical growth rate, you'll still be thinking about finding your volume in meters cubed, just like before. The area, if you have square kilometers given to you, then you're going to use that 1 kilometer squared is equal to, let me just do it like this. So I have 908 square kilometers that I'm typing in, and then I'm going to multiply that by a fraction where I have 1 square kilometer on the bottom is equal to 1,000 meters squared on the top. So what happens is you're actually timesing by 1,000,000 because you have to do 1,000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. So 1,000 square kilometers, 1 square kilometer is 1,000 squared, 1,000,000. So I have the square area is 9.08 e to the 368. And then the growth rate, so if I have 5.9 centimeters per year, I can do 1 meter is 100 centimeters, so 1 divided by 100 is the conversion factor that you can multiply by, so 0.059. And now I can multiply those two values together. So I can take that answer I just had times that other big number that we just had. And then I have 5.36 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. E7 when I put it in engineering notation. Okay, and then the last part, this one says scientists have observed coral expelling the algae. And so the reason for that would be the warming seawater. So higher temperature of seawater causing coral bleaching. Okay, hopefully that helped.